To set a stop limit order on Robinhood options, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the options trading section. Select the stock you want to trade options on and choose the specific option you are interested in. Next, click on the trade button and select the sell or buy option depending on your strategy. Then, choose the order type and select stop limit from the drop-down menu. A stop limit order is a type of order that becomes a limit order when the stock reaches a certain price, known as the stop price. The limit price is the price at which you want to buy or sell the option. For example, if you own a call option and you want to limit your losses if the price drops, you can set a stop limit order to sell the option at a certain price. If the stock price reaches the stop price, the order becomes a limit order to sell the option at the limit price. To set the stop price and limit price, enter the prices in the corresponding fields. The stop price should be the price that triggers the limit order, and the limit price should be the price at which you want to buy or sell the option. After setting the stop price and limit price, choose the position size and expiration date for the order. Review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct, and then submit it. Some key concepts to keep in mind when using stop limit orders on Robinhood options include understanding the difference between a stop price and a limit price, and being aware of the risks associated with options trading. Best practices for using stop limit orders include setting realistic stop prices and limit prices based on your risk tolerance and investment goals, and regularly monitoring your orders to ensure they are working as intended. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can effectively use stop limit orders on Robinhood options to manage your risk and achieve your investment goals. It is essential to remember that options trading involves risk, and it is crucial to educate yourself and develop a trading strategy before using stop limit orders or engaging in any type of options trading.